Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make water bottle labels for free on Canva. Once you're on Canva, what I want you to do is simply tap in the search bar and you're going to type in water bottle. So you want to type in water bottle, and from here you can simply tap on water bottle right here. After you have done this, you will see numerous water bottle templates that you can choose from. So you can scroll down until you see one of your liking. So you can scroll down and you'll see numerous options that you can choose from. Once you have found one that you like, for example this one right here, all you'll have to do is simply tap on it. Then you will see the option customize this template. You could tap on that, or you could look on some other templates right here, some other ideas that you may want to use. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on customize this template and you're going to be redirected to this page, and from here you'll be able to add your own personal touch to this template. So all you have to do is simply tap on it and you'll be able to edit all the sections. So let's say for example you want to change the wording. You could do that by tapping right where you see the words, and you could change the font style by tapping in the top left hand corner, and you will see numerous fonts you can choose from. You can also change the image, so you can tap on any one of the images, and if you would like to delete it, you could simply tap on the trash can. And again, as I said, you can change the wording also by tapping on any one of the words and typing in whatever you want. If you want, you can also change the background by simply tapping on the background. Then once you see the entire box is selected, all you have to do to change it is tap on background in the bottom left hand corner. Then from here, if you want, you could change the background color by tapping on any one of these color options. Or if you would like to add some form of image to the background, you can simply tap on the image, or you could upload an image as you can see right there. Another thing that you can also do is you could tap on the elements right here. And let's say you would want to add, like how this is a gym bottle. Let's say I would want to add weights. You could simply tap on search elements at the top right here, and you could type in weights. And then from here you could select dumbbell, barbell, or so on. So let's say I want to add this. All you have to do is simply drag it to the section that you would like to add it to. Then you can minimize it, as you can see right there. And that's it. Once you're finished customizing it to your liking, you'll simply tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on download. After you have selected download, you can now change the size. So you'll see the size option right here. So depending on the size that you want, you can either pull the slider to the right or to the left, or you could tap in the box and you can enter your custom size. Then you will simply tap on download, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.